Hey folks, for a long time, I kept this box of tissue a few steps away from my desk. Every time I needed one, I had to walk over, grab the tissue, and then sometimes pick up the package if it fell on the floor, and then walk back to my desk to throw it away. It was a tiny inconvenience, but it was still unnecessary wasted motion. So I decided to simplify the process. First, I got this inexpensive metal tissue holder and had our team mount it under my desk using some scrap metal and magnets. Now the tissues sit right at the point of use and I can grab one without any excess motion. While setting that up, I noticed that the opening of the holder was awkward because the lid had no handle. So we fastened on this small knob to the outside, and now it opens quickly and easily without any struggle. At our factory, we use something called crumb trails, which are these yellow labels that tell exactly where something is restocked. Of course, I already know where the tissues are stored, but the point is to apply the same thinking and standards that we use everywhere else in the company. While doing that, I realized that my garbage can under the desk also was missing a crumb trail, so I added that one as well. Now, if I'm being honest, none of these small improvements really saves meaningful time or money. So why bother? For us, lean thinking is about constantly removing small wastes and reinforcing standards every day and everywhere across the plant. When we do this, the way we work stays simple, consistent, and it's easy to sustain, even when it's only fixing how we manage our tissues. Thanks so much.